Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if the licenses cannot be verified on your PlayStation 4. So what you want to do is go up to the top and then go to settings right here. Go to account management and you want to go to where it says restore licenses. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded through the PlayStation Store, you might not be able to use the game. So you need to restore the licenses. So let's go to this right now. And I only have 2 games on my account, so it goes really quick. But this should update the licenses so you can then go ahead and play. Now, if you still are having problems, make sure you activate your PS4 as primary too, so you can play your games offline. You share PlayStation Plus with every other account on your PS4 too, and all your games. So it's very important to have this activated as primary. And then we can go back under here. And then, if I go to like this game right here, this game is currently locked. So I'm not able to use it because I have a different account that's using it. So I need to switch on over to that account and then start using it and playing on that account. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.